Hey, what's up guys, back at it again, another video. We decided to go look at a BMW today. It's gonna be a new project. Hopefully we get it to work. I guess it's not starting, it's not cranking, it's cranking, but it's not starting. So these guys spent a lot of money on this car. They don't know what's going on. So it's a nice car, my boy really likes it, and let's see, come over here and bring it back to life.
I just think that what we're going to be doing pretty much is grabbing somebody else's problem and making it our problem and fixing it. And pretty much what we're going to do, we're going to flip this car. So the
car was at Giant King Pizza. The owner was the actual owner of the car, and he actually had an extra speaker. We ended up purchasing that for $80 more, and they hooked it up with the pizza as well while we were waiting for him to take out everything from the car. So they hooked it up with that. That's pretty awesome. So I guess the car is not starting at all. They replaced the crankshaft sensor, they replaced the camshaft and a whole bunch of sensors and computers, and they still couldn't get it, but
it's alive, baby!
it's alive! We fucking did it. Woo! Hot as fuck in here. Hey man, what are you doing? I thought you were driving the car.
I am, but I just took a little break.
What happened?
Everything went good. It's just that the fucking tires are too big, so we're gonna have to tow it out of here. We can't take it in the freeway like that. It's a big hazard for both of us, so we're gonna get it towed to Freddy's Auto, and then we'll take it from there.
I guess the owner had some thick, super wide snow tires on this thing with 22-inch rims, so the shocks were rubbing a lot on this freaking car. The tires were actually smoking with so much rubbing. We actually had to get it towed and how to bring it home safe. I actually think we came up with a good deal, and we're about to show you guys the after once we fix it up and how's it gonna look. If anybody has BMW problems that is not cranking or is not starting, bring it into Freddy's Auto. We could take a look at it, and we will most likely get it to run just like how we did here. Take some time, but you got to be patient, and things will always go right. Let me hear it, let me hear it, let me hear it. Let the viewers hear it. So the engine sounds good. Okay. This sounds pretty good. Not bad. 87,000 miles. Let's get it. No check engine light.